This is the second EMOVE cruiser that we've reviewed. Last year we were sent an earlier version and we were very impressed. Now, Voro Motors has upgraded it to improve the battery, brakes, tires, and more. Could this scooter replace a car for a short distance commuter? I'm Zach Diktakis. Now let's review Voro Motors EMOVE Cruiser. Voro Motors has excellent customer service. We have worked with them before and they have always treated us perfectly. I've been waiting for a scooter that is built tough and can take me to and from my destination multiple times on one charge. On a heavy-duty scooter like this one, you could potentially take routes that aren't available in a car, saving time, money, and traffic frustration getting into work. If a short commute is really all you use your car for, think about how much money you could save on gas, car insurance, car payments, and parking fees and garage fees. Even if you only rode this for 6 months and have a 10-mile commute, you would save $227 in fuel and 1,760 pounds of CO2. The EMOVE is a beast of a scooter with tons of power. They are now using LG batteries, which are even higher quality and a nice addition in my opinion. And the scooter isn't hard to operate. The scooter has 3 power modes from low to high, which are operated by using the display, which offers a lot of features. To start riding, insert the key and turn clockwise. Then press down on the power button. To get going, pull down on the trigger throttle. There are front and rear hydraulic brakes to safely stop you in time, but make sure you are leaning your weight back on the scooter when you want to stop at high speeds, to prevent being catapulted. The EMOVE lists a bunch of impressive features. Front dual fork suspension and dual rear air shock suspension, X-Tech hydraulic brakes, 65-mile top stated range. Keep in mind this is at low speed settings under ideal conditions. But still, that's amazing. Rear 600-watt motor with 1,600 watts of peak acceleration. Max speed of 25 miles per hour. 10-inch pneumatic tubeless car-grade tires. Special aluminum alloy frame and body. 352-pound max weight capacity. And a loud horn. Whenever I'm buying an electric scooter, these are the things that I pay attention to. Power, build quality, style, comfort, and unique features. The EMOVE definitely moves, as the name suggests. I was very impressed with the power and the acceleration on this scooter. On steep hills, it's barely phased, and on flat stretches, it really punches. I found I was most comfortable with full acceleration when I leaned all my weight forward towards the handlebars and then pulled down on the throttle. On my ride, I was able to get up to 22 miles per hour, which feels very fast, and you can easily keep up with back road traffic. I took it out to test the range on the highest power level, I got 35 miles, which is very impressive. And I had a great time. I was extremely pleased with the output on this machine, especially since it was very cold out and I was driving around on hilly terrain. When a manufacturer states a range for their product, it's under perfect conditions, in warm temperatures and with no hills. Had I been on lower settings, I'm sure I could have gotten a lot further. The EMOVE is a sturdy scooter. The board is strong and holds a large 52-volt, 30-amp-hour LG battery. The dual shocks allow for very comfortable riding. If you're hitting bumps and manhole covers, you can be confident that the scooter can handle it. The light is powerful enough so that at night when you're riding, you're going to be able to see in front of you. The handlebars have a high-quality rubbery material. And the front tube is adjustable, so you can change the height of the handlebars, a great feature for riders of all sizes. There's a small kickstand that'll hold the scooter up when you park it. I do wish that it was a bit heavier duty, but it will get the job done. The cables are all wrapped in a sturdy material, so you don't have to worry about getting those damaged, but I do sort of wish that it was all internally routed for the price. The tires are pneumatic car-grade tires. There aren't any inner tubes, which can cause problems on electric scooters. Electric scooters put down a lot of torque on startup, and that can cause a lot of repeated inner tube wearing against the tire. Having no inner tube means you're not going to have this problem with the EMOVE. The scooter is rated with an IP67 waterproof rating. This means that the unit can be dropped into a body of water up to a meter deep for half an hour. I don't suggest doing this, but if you do get caught in the rain, you're certainly covered. With dual shocks, the EMOVE is in a whole new category of scooters. When I'm riding it, I feel like I can ride anywhere. I spent 2.5 hours straight on the scooter, and I was very happy with how the ride felt. To me, this is the perfect commuter scooter. The oversized deck makes it easy to stand on the board for hours. The screen is bright during the day and easy to see. Braking on the scooter can be kind of scary when you're moving at 20 miles per hour. With the dual braking, if you need to stop, you can. To safely stop at high speeds without being sent flying, lean all your weight back and pull on the brakes. Something to note here is that the brakes are reversed, so the front brake is going to be on the opposite side as a standard American bike. There are safety rear and front-facing lights, making it safer to drive at night. Voro motors also included a turning signal. However, it is tough to differentiate the blinking rear light to the lights that are already on. The EMOVE is in a different class of scooter than your slimmer, more compactable e-scooter. The Cruiser is built to go further and feel better, but it still does fold up when you need it to. The scooter has a very aggressive stance, which I like. Deck height is a trade-off between lower decks, which make it easier to get off and on quickly, and higher decks, like the EMOVE, which gives you more ground clearance and better suspension travel for a smoother ride. EMOVE wisely chose a 7-inch deck height, which, for a long-range scooter, provides a comfortable experience. The scooter comes in 3 different colors: orange, white, and black. The custom machined metal folding mechanism looks and works awesome. The headlight adds a good look to the front of the scooter. The EMOVE has a few accessories that can be added to the scooter. They offer a seat attachment for only $65, which transforms this into an electric moped. There are plenty of other accessories: waterproof hard-shell storage for the front of the scooter, extra powerful detachable rechargeable headlights, leather grips, rotatable rear side view mirror. This new model of EMOVE comes with a new addition to the handlebars: a voltmeter and a locking key. And having a locking key can prevent theft and can keep kids from being able to turn on the scooter. Folding handlebars on a scooter this size is a bonus feature. When you are loading this scooter up into the car, having the handlebars collapse can make a huge difference. We rate our products 1 to 10 on a 6-point scale. Power, 9. This scooter has a consistent range at high speeds. Build quality, 9. Comfort, 9. This is an extremely comfortable ride. Style, 8. It's a very aggressive looking scooter, but I like the design. Unique features, 9. They offer a ton of features not found at lower prices. Value, 9. For its class, this is a great buy. Thanks for watching Now Let's Review. For more tech reviews, subscribe below. Please like, share, and comment any tech you'd like to see us review in the future.